My Target order just arrived for a Cupid for Valentine's Day. It's a blow mold. Unfortunately, Target usually doesn't wrap the blow molds at all. So I'm always kind of wincing when I'm opening up the boxes. This is how they packed it. This Cupid blow mold from Target came without any wrapping, no bubble wrap or anything. So I'm actually lucky it's not terrible. It does have some missing paint right there on the heart part of the arrow. But luckily, I think only the arrow part is painted, mostly. Although I did notice some pink on the cheeks and also on the knees. At first, I thought maybe it had rubbed against other blow molds. But then my husband pointed out that it's probably purposely on the cheeks. Okay, it is battery operated. But one benefit is it does have a timer. It glows kind of pinkish. Okay, let's look at it without the lights on. The only part that looks a little weird is this part of the arrow. Looks like they may have hand painted that. I wish they had made a larger Cupid that plugged in, but I don't actually have a Cupid for Valentine's Day, so I had to get it. I feel I got pretty lucky this time though, because I ordered a Frankenstein at Halloween and it had no paint on its nose, so lucked out this time. If Target watches this, which they probably don't, please start bubble wrapping the blow molds. It took triple A's when I opened it up. It didn't come with any. Right now, if you go on the website, you should be able to order this. They also have a dog one for Valentine's Day, and I also saw 2 small heart blow molds. Okay, guys, that's all for now. I'm gonna keep checking Target though to see when they come out with more Valentine's Day decorations. Have a great New Year's. And my cat would like you to please subscribe.